Hey guys, real quick, just want to show you on these 2003 to 2000, I believe, 9 4Runners. You don't have to remove this or this. I did, just because I was looking for the plug. I couldn't find it, but if you do end up removing this and then also the kick panel here, I'll show you where the plug is. So I thought it was one of those two up there. You see the two white plugs? Well, those are actually not the right ones. The one that, for me, that I was looking for was located even higher above there. So you see this right here? Right there? It's tied with a piece of like tape over to one of the wiring harnesses over there. So just keep looking for it, it's there. As long as you have the right adapter. So you can go into concha.com on their website, put in your vehicle, year, make, and model, and it'll give you the actual adapter so that you don't have to splice anything. It just clips in. And then what I did was the ground wire I routed up there, and then the bracket for it will sit right here. There's this nice little kind of, it's almost like this cutout, which there's supposed to be a piece here that I'm missing, like a trim piece. So this thing will sit nicely in here, and then the adapter, the brake controller, will sit right inside there, and it'll be out of the way from. Some guys put it there. I don't like that because I don't want my leg to hit the controller. But yeah, that's basically it. And then you plug this back into the back part of it, and then you should be good to go. Here's the cover. There's your 7-way connector. There's that, and then I'll show you guys. I just got this one. So it's actually rated for 16,000 pounds, which is obviously way over the capacity that this thing can tow. But I found this for $30 or $25. So it's always better to have a much stronger setup like this, even though it's overkill for the vehicle, than not. And this trailer ball, it's made by Kurt, and it's a 30,000 pound trailer ball. I mean, I think the capacity in this truck is 7,000 pounds, but literally it costs maybe $10 more or $15 more than the other ones. And this is going to be a lot more heavy duty, so you never have to worry about, because I don't like it when it's welded. It's like welded there, and it just doesn't. This looks a lot nicer just as a whole. I also put a little bit of painter's tape and electrical tape underneath, so that when it sits inside the actual receiver, right, I believe it's called, like that, it's nice and snug, so that there isn't like a lot of movement up and down. You don't have to worry about stuff clanking back here and moving back and forth. And then yeah, that's all. Alright guys, so we are good to go. Everything is wired up, connected in place. The connector just simply slides in. Kick panel is installed back. What I did was all that extra wiring and also the ground wire just route underneath the carpet there, inside the actual kick panel itself, and then stuff all the wiring behind here so that it doesn't interfere with your parking brake. And then yeah, that's basically it. You're also going to need a 10mm with a long extension to get to that bolt over there, and then you're going to need just a regular Phillips to attach your self-tapping screws there. So that's how it looks. Doesn't interfere with your legs, with the brake pedal or the gas pedal.